Može se živjeti zajedno.
But the mayor knew that Federal Army tanks had already surrounded his town.
Milošević definitivno preuzima apsolutnu kontrolu i ta zvornička operacija je planirana u Beogradu. U njoj su učestvovale snage bosanskih Srba i one su bile brojnije. Međutim, specijalne jedinice i najborbenije jedinice došle su s ove strane. To su bile direktno jedinice policije, takozvane crvene beretke. To su specijalne jedinice službe državne bezbednosti Srbije. Tu su bili dobrovoljci Srpske radikalne stranke. Tu su bili Arkanovi dobrovoljci.
Šešel, the paramilitary leader, briefed Serb forces in this hotel. According to the UN War Crimes Commission, he read out the names of leading Muslims in Zvornik to be killed. The Serbs launched their attack. That day, a UN official was driving from Serbia to Bosnia. He was stopped just outside Zvornik.
Me crucé con un vehículo del Comité Internacional de Cruz Roja que me dijeron no pases, tout le monde est fou, everybody's crazy.
A paramilitary commander, proud of his work, let in a news crew. Here, the regime of terror is being established as military police try to identify the Muslims.
Ja nisam podruživao kartu. Je li uzela vaše podatke? Evo, uzimam sad. I Nerina.
Y era un grado de tensión absolutamente terrible y en una de las curvas, antes de ser detenidos, patinamos, el coche se deslizó sobre sangre. Sobre todo había un fuego de artillería muy importante que venía del lado serbio del Drina. Y yo vi incluso el humo que salía de las explosiones que hacen los cañones cuando salen los proyectiles en el lado serbio.
The Serb paramilitaries were mopping up as the UN representative arrived.
Operacija je dugo smišljana, dugo spremana, tako da nije ništa bilo u nekoj nervozi da se zove hajde hitno treba ovo, treba ono. Sve je bilo dobro organizovano i dobro izvedeno.
Entre tanto se veían camiones pasar con cuerpos de cadáveres. Vi en varias casas alrededor milicianos metiendo cuerpos de mujeres, niños, ancianos en camiones. Yo vi por lo menos 4 o 5 camiones con cadáveres.
Some 2,000 people were unaccounted for. Nobody knows how many of them were executed on the spot, or how many were sent to concentration camps, where the murder continued. The rest were expelled. 49,000 Muslims lived in Zvornik. None remain. 5 centuries of Islamic life and culture there were erased. This is ethnic cleansing. It became routine as the Serbs took control of 3/4 of Bosnia's territory. In time, they learned to keep the cameras out. But ethnic cleansing continued.
Ja ne mogu da kažem da toga nigde nije bilo. To je nekada više organizovano ovde u Beogradu.
There is no one who can believe what
is mentioned as a organized genocide, even organized from Belgrade and even organized by me. It's really out of consideration.
I tada je svaki put direktno Milošević tražio da se upućuju dobrovoljci.